Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be covering how you can get your league code in Fantasy Premier League. The process is quick and easy, so let's get right into it guys. Now the way you need to actually find your league code is to actually be part of a league. Even helps if you are a member of your own league, or if you rather created your league since you have permission to invite other players. Since it is an invitational league, as you can see, it just appeared on my screen. The tutorial league is the tutorial example we will be using now. And to actually get the link, if it appears on this screen, as you can see, I am in the fantasy section of the app. I'm not on the website. On the website, it is a bit different. Here, I'll be explaining how you do it on the app. And I want to navigate down to my leagues and cups. Now, as you see, I have this tutorial league lined up, and I am the actual founder, member, and manager of my team. And the way you actually find the code is not by actually clicking on the league, as you have seen here. You need to click on configure your leagues via FPL, and once you enter that, you will be taken to this screen. And wait just a second until it loads, guys. And now that it's loaded, you can see my league here, and what you want to do is click on the cog icon on the far right. And once you click on that, you can click on invite friends, and you have your code here. You can either copy the link, share the link by email, and copy this email text if you so wish to do. Now that is pretty much all I have to say about this topic. It was quite quick and quite easy, and I hope you learned something new. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you guys in another video.